Hi everyone, welcome back to my Chinese class. I'm Jeff. Today we are going to have a new lesson. Before we start today's learning, let's review the biggest breaking news today. That's about, yes, you got it, Richard Branson. It is Monday, July the 12th, 2021, as CNN Business reported this morning. Richard Branson became the first person to ride into space aboard a rocket he helped found. He lands safely after rocketing to outer space with his crew. As Branson floated around the microgravity, he taped a message using cameras on board the space plane.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do. Hey!
Come on out, Richard.
It's so inspiring and encouraging, isn't it? I'm really moved about it. Now and here, we get three important words. That is dream, dreamer, and stars. Then, how to say them in Chinese? First, 梦想. There is the word dream in the videos. 梦想. Look at the pinyin. 梦, 西洋想. First is falling tones, and the second is falling then rising tones. Okay, 梦想, 梦想. Okay, that means dream. And you can see my systems. That is 梦西洋想梦想. You can read it more easily, right? Next one is 梦想家. Okay, 梦想, you know that means dream. 家 means the person. Okay, 梦想家 means dreamer, right? And the pinyin is 梦想家. Okay, 家 is even and flat tones. Okay, we read it together. 梦想家. And below is my systems. You can read it more easily. 梦想家梦想家 means dreamer. The third one is 星星 means stars. Okay, he go to the space and see the stars and shared to the person on land, right? So 星星 read after me. 星星. Okay, you are good. First, watch the videos on channel of VGC. Number 2, get the greeting words in the videos. Number 3, learn the greeting words in Chinese.
Line 3.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you ever thought about going into space, Richard?
It's a brilliant innovation story. The origins of spaceflight at the time, it was big government. And then from there, we just started expanding. We knew we wanted a bigger system.
Virgin Galactic offers the first real platform where we can actually open it up to make space.
You're seeing your home planet.
Have you ever thought about going into space, Richard?
I'd love to go into space. I think there could be nothing nicer. So if you're building a spacecraft, I'd love to come with you on it.
你好 Okay, these two characters is the falling and the rising tones. We should read it falling first, then rising. 你好 Okay, here 你 means you, 好 means good. Okay, you're good. I hope you're good. So they say you good. 你好. 你好. And follow is my systems of how to read it. Okay, 你好, 你好好. Okay, if we show our respect, we will say 您好, 您好, 您. Okay, the third tones, falling first, then rising. 您好, okay, 好, falling first, then rising. That's the tones. 您好, the same. 您 means you, okay. 好 means good. You good. I hope you're good. 您好. Everybody, it's the first time for Branson, the first private travelers to go into the space. Guess whether he said hello to the space with excitement. Okay, I think he will. Next, let's learn more about other greeting expressions. Next one, 早上好. 早上好. 早早上上早上. 好好 means good morning, and 早上 is morning, and 好 is good. So we read it together, means 早上好, good morning. And we should pay attention to the pinyin, 自熬早, falling then rising tones, and 上 falling tones, 好 falling and rising tones. Read it together, 早上好. Okay. Next one is 下午好. 下午 下午 means afternoon. 好 is good. So 下午好 means good afternoon. Okay, you should pay attention to the pinyin. 下 falling tones, 午 falling and rising tones, 好 falling and rising tones. 下午好, right? And the third one is 晚上好. Okay, 晚上 means evening. 好 is good. It go together is 晚上好, good evening, right? 晚 上 好. Pay attention to the tones with these three characters. Okay. Next one, 晚安. Okay, 晚 means night. Okay, 安 good. Okay, good Pacific. Okay, 晚安 means good night. Pay attention to the tones, right? And the fifth one is 明天见. See you tomorrow. Okay, 孟莹明天明天 means tomorrow. 见 see. Okay, see you, right? Okay, 明天见. Next one is 再见, goodbye or bye bye. 再见, 自爱在, 积案见. Okay, pay attention to the tones. 自爱在 means falling tones. 见, 积案见. The same is the falling tones. Okay, 再见. Okay, have you all got it then? I suggest you practice with each other and you can master it naturally. You can get in touch with me by the method below. We can have more practice. That's all for today. If any words, leave me a comment or WeChat, Instagram. I'm Jeff. See you next time.